I had really hard time to get out of the parking lot because I have to go into a little hill, some incline, and maybe I spent an hour trying to install the chains, and my error not to try the chains on this car. This is not my car, and the chains are mine, and I need to go to the office to retrieve my four-wheel drive car, and for that one I have a set of chains. But now I'm recording a couple of minutes here in the Coquitlam area next to Vancouver. So I made it to the road. I got to a kind of a clean patch, and I thought, wow, the roads are so nice. It's like, whoa, it's amazing. I made it to the pavement, and I could see the pavement. And then look at what is here. And my car, like this car is barely sticking to the ice underneath, and I don't know if these guys plowed the road, because it looks very sketchy, and I don't know if I should keep going. Let me see. So I'm going to put the four-way flashers on. Let's see if I can stop safely. I have someone behind me, but I'll do 20 kilometers an hour. This is a hill, probably 16-degree incline. I don't know, but I have to let people go by. I don't want to start spinning and blocking people traffic. I mean, it's dangerous when you see someone suddenly spinning and you can't stop, so I don't want those drivers to get in trouble because of my adventurous nature. But here I can see that this downhill, it's better, but still I go with the four-way flashers on, telling the traffic that I'm very cautious. And I see this sports car. It's a Mazda or Infiniti, I don't know what's that. It's Mazda, and he did not clean up his car just a bit. Infiniti, yeah. And he is adventurous. With this type of car, myself, I'm super cautious. Why? Because I was told to stay home. So I was told stay home, but not told like you must stay home. I was told, you guys take a day off, because the roads are not very good for you to go to the office today. And yeah, I don't use my seatbelt when it's kind of a dangerous driving, like off-roading and those things. I kind of keep my seatbelt off in case I need to get out of the car, in case I need to jump out somehow. And yeah, so I see the roads are nicer, better, and also it's lower elevation, maybe 50 meters lower, and it's not that much snow. Okay, now I should have the seatbelt on. Yeah, if you have a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive or all those fancy newer systems on your car, this could be a very fun ride. I mean, depends where you go. I saw people cleaning up their cars today, so I had to clean this work truck on the top, remove about 30 centimeters of new snow since last night. So last night I got home late, and the truck was clean, of course, but overnight it got like 30 centimeters of snow, and everything was loaded. I could not see windows. It was a kind of a pile of, like a box in a pile of snow. That's the way this car looked like. And so I started cleaning up. I saw a few neighbors also cleaning up, but not everyone had a happy face. For me, it was like, wow, snow, like I feel a kid again. and it was really nice to clean up the snow thinking of fun. So if you associate let's say bad weather, this type of negative connotation to the winter, to cleaning up the snow, of course it's going to ruin the experience. It's like how to say it, not to offend, because not a long time ago I got my video taken down, one of my videos. Let's say if you have sex, but in your mind you start with the thought that your woman used to be a prostitute, or maybe she just had an affair with some dude, or or maybe she is a bitch sometimes, or maybe she's bad mouthing you and you know that, stuff like that. So if you attach this type of negative emotions, then it's going to ruin your experience. And same thing with snow. Oh, did I say something that offended some viewers? Some of those office people, look at, wow, so much snow on that truck, he could not clean up the box on top, and now I'm driving. And so same thing with winter. If you think of snow like wow, it's fun, some people go skiing in this type of weather, and it does not matter how many challenges they encounter on the way to the ski mountain, still fun, the whole experience, because they expect a fun experience. Okay, so I think I'm going to take Highway 1, because this is a steep hill here, and likely I won't be able to climb it unless they took care of it. Oh yeah, so the snowplow is coming down the hill, probably did some cleanup, but you see, nobody is going up, and it's a work day. Like okay, so the road is clear here, but it's very nasty when I take the highway. Oh, my car is kind of ooh, yeah. Okay, should I take Highway 1? There's no other way, because if I go to the left it's highway, if I go to the right it's highway. So what I'm going to do, can I back up? No. Once I'm in a dance, I'm dancing. Now let's see the Highway 1. Okay, it's not bad. Oh, but it's white. What the heck? Oh, Highway 1 is white. The heck is that? Like what? Did they? I assume that they plowed the highway the whole night. What the heck is going on? Yeah, so I'm going to the office anyways to get my car. Oh shoot. Okay. Now it's interesting. So I'm doing 40 an hour, and this is Highway 1 in Vancouver on December. Oh, snowplow is working on the other side. So one little one and a big one on the other side, you see. So at least they do something. Wow, that's main road. That's like one of our customers. Wow, it's not too bad actually. You see, some guy is kind of in a hurry, is kind of cutting through, going off-roading like here. So it's not too bad. I appreciate that they do some cleanup. When I saw the highway from the distance, I saw the what? Where I'm going? Am I get into trouble with the van, with the car, and then I'll get some bad feedback from my bosses, because they told everyone to stay home. Okay, so this guy left the car here on the highway. Nice. The stupid thing is that I don't have my shovel in the van, so if I get in trouble, I have to dig by hands. I mean, I have some little tools to scrape stuff, but I don't have the emergency equipment, much of the emergency equipment. So, and I don't want to leave the car on a highway like that. That would be impolite and silly and stupid. Okay, so he has a higher clearance. Okay, and he's going. Okay, that means I can go. Oh, I see some dude with a 4-wheel drive, like that's a Dodge Ram guy. He is going into the snow, and probably he's having fun with that 4-wheel drive truck. Look at that guy. So I think he is not driving too fast. I'm doing 60. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But he is coming at maybe 65. He's approaching, and he's going right in the middle. No, I don't have the balls. Okay, so that is Highway 1, and it's interesting. I can't wait to get my car, my little adventure car. Okay, yeah, this car is kind of a feeling. It's sometimes it's lighting up the not the ABS. It's like anti-skid system, which kind of helped. With that system, I was able to get out of the parking lot. That little bump. It kind of stops the wheels, keep adjusting left, right wheel. Oh yeah, he's going. He has the right track for the right road, like for this type of road. Look at that! He's like a boating here. Even that Volkswagen, I think it has 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive according to the exhaust. And this guy, that's kind of a yeah, Alberta. Yeah, that's Alberta. And oh, look at how he's skidding the guy. But he knows he's Alberta, and he is used to that. So now I have to take this exit. Let's see if it's doable. Because I don't want to drive to the next clear exit. Yeah, even that guy is Canadian. Oh yeah, American cars, look at that, but they are newer. So here I cannot really just brake and slow down because it's ice. Yeah, I see the ice on the road. But at least it's not that much snow. Oh, I forgot to turn the heat on in the car. There, my hands are kind of cold. After trying to put the chains on, bare hands sometimes, I said no. Giving up to the chains, I'll make it without. And when I get to the office, I need to find time, but not today. I need to find time and try these chains on when the car is dry. Okay. Green, I need that green, I don't want to stop. Green, thank you. Oh, nice. Oh, shoot. Okay, yeah, anti-skid is, the light was keep blinking here. Wow. Such a fun ride. Hopefully my boss don't see what I'm doing here. Okay, so Burnaby here. Oh yeah, Highway 1 is white. Yeah, this it's an all-wheel drive. Yeah, Tiguan, likely all-wheel drive. The way it handles the snow. Oh yeah, ooh, brake skidding. Yeah, I saw his that's the city of Burnaby employee, union guy. So I saw he is trying to brake, and the wheel is not speeding, but he keeps moving for probably another 2 feet, and he is smiling. Yeah, because I smiled. And yeah, when you don't show an angry face when you go to this, yeah, you kind of inspire people to change their thinking. It's like, oh, yeah, it's not too bad. Like some people have fun. Okay, yeah, people are jumping and trying like on a sidewalk. Of course, everyone is supposed to clean up and yeah. They are supposed to clean up and shovel the driveway. It's a bylaw here, in case you are not from the Vancouver area. But yeah, look at the roads here. It's wow, it's so nice, so nice, and I can see the pavement. That's Burnaby. Yesterday, that's a Mercedes, a sports car. He slowed down on that patch. Yesterday, someone was saying that Burnaby was so bad, but when they came from Vancouver crossing Boundary Road, it was ice rink. No, the other way around. So Vancouver ice rink, and Burnaby was way better. And I said, yeah, I drove from Mission to Port Moody area. Oh yeah, that's another hill here. Let's see if I can make it. And when I got to Coquitlam, was like a what? Okay, the cop. No. Ooh, let's see. Can I make it? Can I make it? Hoopsie. Do I'm just kid. No. Looks alright. Yeah, nice. It's a nice day to be outside. Ooh, nice looking workers. Yeah, Lexus. Yeah, drive fast till the next tree. Oh, sorry. I should not say that because I'm driving a 2-wheel drive. Yeah, so everyone has some shovel, action, camera. Yes. If I get bored in the office, I mean, I have so many projects, but I'm not going to work. I'm going to finish a couple of things and swap the cars. Okay, so I need to avoid this pedestrian. Oh, poor people, you see, they have to go through this stuff, and I've done that. At some point, I was carrying my daughter. Up the hill because the buses were not working, and I had my car stuck on the mountain. So I had to take from Mount Seymour. I had to take some sort of a shuttle bus down the mountain with my two daughters. Then take another bus from the bus loop, then take the train, I guess. Yeah, I took the Sky train. Then I got to a bus at Lougheed bus stop, and they were not going. So for probably 3-4 kilometers, I had to carry my daughter, my youngest daughter, uphill into this type of snow. And I'm not making things up. It was another dump several years ago, maybe 10 years ago, and yeah, she was able to walk, but because the snow was that deep, I had to carry her on my arms. A memorable experience, especially when I was told, don't go on the mountain. Okay, so it looks alright here. The Burnaby people, the management, the workers did a really good job. Now, I don't know why in Coquitlam was different. Maybe because on the weekend they have less staff to be on the roads. I have no idea. They used to be our customer. But I don't know the logistics. Yeah, so everyone is out. Instead of going to work, yeah, everyone decided that they must clean up their driveway, unless these people never go to work. But probably most people got a day off because of the roads. McElhaney, that's a contractor.